Well, the secret is out. St. Joseph Bay on Vancouver Island was voted number 36 amongst the top 50 beaches in the world. We are headed north to Port Hardy but turn just south of the town into Holbrook Road. After 40 kilometers of rough gravel, you reach Holbrook, a logging camp / hamlet at the head of Holbrook Inlet. Here we made a stop at the Scarlet Ibis, the northernmost pub on Vancouver Island. They not only have great food, but also basic accommodations. From the pub in Holbrook, we had another 20 kilometers of gravel road to the trailhead parking lot. It's unfortunately full of potholes and washboard, but it's doable. Some people even took the car. The 2-kilometer train down to the beach is very good. We saw many families taking their hand-drawn wagons with their supplies down the trail. The trail leads through old-growth forest with some impressive cedars to admire, so enjoy. There used to be a big tree underneath there, the first time I went up there, but after 20 some odd years, it's all decomposed and gone.
One more time.
So here we are, walking down the last few hundred meters along the river, San Jose River, and I was really getting excited of finally making it there. The previous times I was up there, I always hit St. Joseph's Bay with clouds, real clouds, thick clouds or even rain. But not this time. There is some clear sky and beautiful sunshine, and I just loved it. We loved it. And yes, if you sit right at the trailhead, or where the trail leads into the beach, you will be on many videos. And here it is. It was low tide, which was good to head out and see the sea stacks and the islets. But of course, the ocean doesn't look as impressive on the video as it actually is. So there's a little zoom in for where the sea stacks are and path out to the islets. And there was a lot of people there. It may not seem that much, compared with other parts of the world, but this is really the end of Vancouver Island, and I was amazed how many people found their way up there. But that's okay, we can all enjoy the beauty of nature. This is my friend taking pictures of the nice beach, and here we are. Like I said, that was really low tide, and that's what you need to get out to see the islands. To reach the second beach at high tide, you will have to take the path across the shelf, but as you can see, the shelf edge is really rough, so that shelf, so the beach is definitely the place you want to be. And you can see here, what makes a beautiful color when the tide is in. It did have the turquoise hue, when you got out to, so here we're walking out to the islets, when you got close to the water's edge. There you can see it's just like magnificent. Just watch out for those barnacle covered crusted rocks because they're really sharp. It's all good. Here we're looking at Vancouver Island's very own Mount St. Patrick. There is a trail up there. I don't know what condition the trail is in, but it's almost 400 meters, so it's quite a hike up there. So in here we're getting into the sea stags. So this was early August when we were there, and like anywhere else on the island, the sun is out, it's warm, beautiful, but when there's clouds, it's a bit coolish. To find some really nice sea caves in this area too. Doesn't go very deep, and it's dry at low tide obviously. And here again some really nice shots of those sea stags, which you find on all the calendars. And that's my favorite rock there. I think it looks like a big teddy bear. It's my friend in front of the big rock to give you a scale. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you liked it.